Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on the 17th day of March 2026. Welcome, and the setup is you'll be familiar with it if you've seen any of our videos at all. So we do have a strong candle indicator with the little triangle pointing up, saying we're going to take this trade going into the trend indicator. The PVI, we look up here, I expect the next candle to be somewhere between 70 and 80 ticks in length. We'll pair our ATM to the strength of the market. We'll go for 16 tick first targets, and then we'll get runners of 30s and 60s, and we'll de-risk the trade after 16. So that's the setup. We'll go ahead and we've already got the retrace on this, so we'll go ahead and put our order right on the body of the candle and go from there. And this is how it all went down live in the live trading room today. All right, we'll just do regular until we get picked up in the trade, put our stop where it belongs, which is the last major failure point. And now we're going to wait for our first target to get hit. Once our first target gets hit, our stop, it hits 16, but didn't get to 17. It moves the stop up here. Now I'm in a break-even position. Once we hit our, now I'm profitable. There's no way I can lose money on this trade. And now we just have to wait and see if we can get our larger uh, target taken out. We'll go ahead and speed it up a little bit so we're not here all day. Go to 4 times market speed, and boom, got taken out. That trade actually took less than a minute to complete and was worth 615 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 615 US dollars in a little less than a minute, come and join us at samuraidaytrading.com. That's samuraidaytrading.com. We have all the indicators that you need and some that you won't find anywhere else, including the strong candle indicator, which we use every day to make money in the live trading room. So we look forward to seeing you next time. God bless you. We'll see you then.